I will never forget that.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeast Cook County in northeast Illinois, eastern Lake County in northwest Indiana, until 10:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Chicago Heights, or 2 miles south of Steger, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Homewood around 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. South Holland and Harvey around 9:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dalton around 9:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hedgewish around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Whiting around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.